Alright, fairings are off again. My mechanic did swing by, took a look at the carburetor. I found out why these pilot jets wouldn't work. These are designed for a Mikuni VM26 carburetor. This is not a Mikuni VM26 carburetor. This is a knockoff. This is completely my fault. I should have looked into it more. Apparently these scam very well. I'm gonna have to order a real Mikuni carburetor. I'm gonna get started with the chain and sprockets. The rear sprocket should be stocked to 35 tooth, and then I have a 17 tooth front sprocket upgrade versus the 14 tooth that's already on the bike. Increasing the front sprocket size is going to give me less power but more top end. So basically my gears are just going to be longer, and that's kind of what I'm looking for. I don't know if the genuine Honda Groms are like this. I feel like first gear just rings out so quickly. Like, essentially I feel like it's just going to make it a little bit more comfortable to ride. Chains off. Just for comparison's sake, you could see how big that difference is. That is a much bigger bucket. I hope it fits. And we're gonna put this new one on like so. So just noticed, this is a 428 34 tooth sprocket, and this is a 420 35 tooth sprocket. So it's a little bit bigger, but it's okay. Is it going through? There you go.
Daddy ain't about that.
Oh my god, it looks fucking...
Sorry, games overall for Pittsburgh, 5 points in the last 3 to the team. So we're going to get to that. Push it.
Feels good. There we go. Looks about right. I'm ready to ride. It looks like I just shaved my dog. Yes.
Yeah, rich kids now. All the girls are whores.
Wie zou het? Dan liever. Fake, because I don't believe in fake.
Fucking all. I was like, holy fuck, it felt so way different. Well, yeah, a lot of things different from that.
Yikers.
You're not gonna die?
What do you even do?
Just... Doesn't it look good with just the one mirror?